Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. This is the 6th time I've recorded this. All of them have got deleted. Hopefully this one will work. So guys, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe because this took me a long time to edit and record. So yeah, let's get straight into this. Hey guys, so I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to get Photoshop for free. So this is completely legal and you don't need to worry. So yeah, let's get straight into this. So the first thing you want to do is go into Photoshop, the thing. It will be in the description of this website, and all you want to do is you want to download this. I've already just downloaded it, so yeah, just wait until it's installed, and yeah, this is the next step. So guys, here you go. This is the next step you want to do is go on to the folder called Photoshop. Then there'll be two things, serial and setup. So you want to go on the serial. Oh yeah, and by the way guys, for some people's computer, it will just come up as a normal zip file. If that does happen, then you want to install WinRAR, which I will put in the description below as well. So yeah, you want to copy this activation key. So you want to copy the activation key. And then double tap setup. Open up setup. Now it will say this, guys. Wait, one sec. Okay, so click yes. Now it will say English. Just click English. Click OK. Next. I accept. Next. Then this is where you want to put in the license key. So Control V. And then go ahead and hit next. So yeah. Then it will make you install it. I'm not going to install it, but yeah guys, it's really simple. Just install it. I've already installed it, so I'm not going to. Then after you have installed it, you can just close that. And close the folder. And then if you go onto this, you can search up. Now, there you go, guys. Photoshop. Adobe Photoshop. I will open it just in case you guys don't believe me. So, yeah. Ta-da! Photoshop. Works 100% like normal Photoshop. It is normal Photoshop, just cracked. So, click open. Choose any image you want. I'm just going to choose this one, for example. Yeah, guys, it is really cool. Everything works fine. So yeah, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed today's vid, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.